Welcome! Today we will be discussing automating phishing analysis and response using Cyware's Cyber Fusion Center. Let's begin. Phishing has continued its alarming growth trend, becoming a major threat to all organizations. Approximately 95% of phishing attacks happen via email. Phishing can lead to financial loss, credential compromise, malware attacks, and ransomware attacks. Organizations are proactively training their employees to identify phishing emails as well as instantly report them to the security teams. However, instant reporting demands time and effort for risk analysis and mitigation by analysts. In this video, we will demonstrate how Cyware's Cyber Fusion capabilities allow analysts to automatically analyze reported phishing attacks, synchronize security tools, security teams, and users to swiftly and effectively respond to phishing attacks. Now let's demonstrate the handling of a user-reported suspicious email. Consider an email that looks genuine but is actually a spoofed email. The user identifies it as suspicious and reports the email to SecOps as an attachment. Now let's take a look at the automation involved in fetching this suspicious email for analysis. A playbook continuously runs to check for new emails present in the SecOps email box. If the workflow finds a new email, it branches into a sub-playbook. The sub-playbook has been created for automated phishing email analysis and response. This playbook defines multiple customizable paths for automation and response orchestration. Let's zoom into this playbook and view some of its most important paths. As the playbook runs further, multiple decision node junctions are responsible for automatically parsing, extracting details, and reflecting in the Cyware Investigate and Response module for the analyst to investigate with complete context. Metadata auto-populates for the analyst as follows. Indicators identified in the email such as hashes or IPs, IOCs, or URLs. The sender email, header details, domain details, and any attachment present in the email. As the workflow progresses, the paths define enrichment from threat intelligence if available. The IOCs are enriched as per the SLA and limits defined. And a case will be created in the Cyware Investigate and Response module. If any attachment is present in the email, then it will go into a secure malware sandboxing tool. The enriched and parsed results with details extracted are added as metadata to the case created in Cyware's Cyber Fusion and Threat Response module, making insights and analytics shareable and useful for other teams and tools. Moving on to Cyber Fusion and Threat Response's Case Management module. The analyst is welcomed with a dashboard containing a list of cases present. We are viewing the case that was created automatically from our phishing investigation. Let's take a look into the various sections for investigative analysis. These are auto-populated using the metadata that was fetched with the help of the configured playbook. The header section reflects the case open date, resolution SLA for the case, assigned group, user, and more. Under the response module, the summary section displays the metadata of the incident, the assigned group, the user, SLA, a connect the dot summary, and more. The preparation section displays the metadata about the incident itself, including the compromised user details, the threat actors, incident type, location, severity, time and date, and more. The detection analysis section reflects the source IP, IOC summary, files attached, indicators within the email body, enrichment, confidence score, and more. The IOC confidence score helps prioritize intelligence based on multiple factors, such as feed source confidence, source citing, enrichment policy, and relations. Under mission control, the Connect the Dots section displays details about the user's workstation. This is a unique feature that visually connects the incident to other associated IOCs, assets, URLs, and more that are present within the organization's environment. The Threat Intel module displays the details of the indicators that were found during analysis. And finally, the Incident Visualizer section displays the mapping of email artifacts, and it will further build the context and correlation with the IOC. The Incident Visualizer helps the user draw contextual information by visualizing the connections between an incident and the connected modules and indicators. As you've seen so far, the playbook helps analysts automatically traverse from one investigative phase to another swiftly and driven with auto-populated context for an effective investigation. Now let's hop back into Cyware Orchestrate to view additional automated responses that are possible based on the analyst's investigation. If the email turns out to be non-malicious, the playbook sends an email that notifies the user that the email is not malicious. If the email does turn out to be malicious, the playbook defines the following. Search the email gateway to check if any other employee has received this email with the same header details. Check for hashes and block it on an EDR platform. Block the sender email on the mail server. Search for the malicious indicators utilizing a SIM tool to check if this email has been accidentally clicked by any other employee. Push all of the indicators that were identified as malicious to the Cyware Threat Intelligence Exchange, as well as utilize the Cyware Situational Awareness module to create actions to send notifications to other teams for blocking as a response. Everything you've seen today is completely automated, reducing the load on the analysts and helping prioritize, investigate, and respond to phishing emails swiftly. Thank you for taking time out of your day to learn about Cyware Cyber Fusion for automated phishing remediation. For more information on Cyware Cyber Fusion, visit us and connect with our team at cyware.com. We hope you have a great rest of your day.